of cold, dry or bleed me?
For dry cook.
How long has he been sick?
It's been 3 days. Before that I had taken medicine, but there was no change.
Have you taken antibiotic before?
No, I have not.
Okay, I gave him the cold and cough medicine Islatodine. Then I added antibiotic because it has healed for 3 days.
What are the drinking rules?
This medicine is taken 3 times a day, 1 tablet after eating. The antibiotic must be finished because it is to overcome the body's sensitivity to the infecting germ.
What side effect does this medicine have?
The only side effect is dropsitis, so don't take it if you're driving.
Okay, so how much is the total?
25,000 in all.
Okay, thank you very much.
You are welcome. I hope you get well soon. Thank you.
Yay!